Globalization has brought many good things to us, such as advanced technology, faster communication, and innovation. As a profit driven merger of many countries and societies worldwide, it has accelerated the economic development of some countries, created infrastructures, and brought individuals from diverse cultural backgrounds together. But then, the continuous globalization process has also brought several issues to us, the most notable being the impact on the environment. To meet the demands for goods and services of international markets, industrialization has been heavy, producing a large amount of chemicals hazardous to the environment. For instance, European Union data showed that the annual production of chemicals hazardous to the environment from 2004 to 2022 is within the range of 75 to 91 million tons. These large amounts of chemicals are difficult to dispose of completely, putting the environment at risks. Plastic, a non-biodegradable substance useful for packing and preserving products, have been heavily used in the exports of goods. UN's data reported that about 400 million tons of plastic waste is produced every year today. The resistance to degradation of plastics makes them nearly impossible for nature to break down, resulting to pollution and contamination, which harms marine life, wildlife, and human health. Globalization expands the number of markets where companies may sell their goods, services, and products, implying that the final items would then go farther, increasing the needs for transportation, which negatively impact the environment, including increase in greenhouse gases, where more fuels are being used to transport the goods in far places, which significantly contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Next is marine contamination. According to a survey by the International Move Forum, nearly 70% of all materials are transported by ships. Consequently, an increase in maritime traffic raises the likelihood of significant oil spills or leaks, which can damage fragile marine ecosystems. Globalization enables countries to concentrate on their economic strengths and depend on trading partners for goods they don't produce themselves. While this mechanism is productive, it often harms the environment in the following examples. Cote d'Ivoire produced 2.10 to 2.15 million tons of cocoa beans annually from 2019 to 2022, making them the largest producer and exporter of cocoa globally. To maintain this rate, 1.65 billion hectares of tropical moist forest were converted to cocoa plantations from 2003 to 2017. Thus, deforestation in turn leads to the extinction of numerous plant and animal species, reducing biodiversity. It is important to recognize that globalization has enabled certain countries to specialize in producing various energy commodities, including oil, natural gas, and timber. Countries that rely heavily on energy sales to support their national budgets, as well as those prioritizing energy security, are more likely to intervene in the market through subsidies or regulations that hinder the transition to renewable energy. The primary byproduct of these energy sources is greenhouse gas emissions, which play a significant role in global warming and climate change. Although increased connectivity and higher rates of international travel have made it easier for people to witness the impacts of deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change on the environment, leading to the development of new laws, regulations, and processes aimed at mitigating these negative effects. Finding balance between doing globalization and maintaining the sustainability and health of the environment clearly is a difficult challenge to achieve. Therefore, it is essential to rethink and change our approach to globalization as a whole.